Hi everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you the Weekender craft kit. That's this beautiful box, and the virtual crafty retreat. That's your ticket that you are getting together with the box. A ticket to an amazing weekend event filled with crafting, connection, and pure crafty fun. In this video, I wanted to unbox the Weekender kit and show you what is inside. This box is so big, it doesn't actually fit in my video frame, but I'm hoping you can get an idea of the size of the box and, well, the amount of goodies that you're getting, because this is a pretty heavy box. And mind you, my box is sort of a prototype box. I have received it before the actual boxes were put together. So I am missing a few items. I'm missing the booklet with all the pretty cards and the instructions. You will get that in your Weekender kit, and you'll need that for the actual get-together crafty event retreat. And I'm also missing cardstock. I'm not sure. I might have some cardstock, but your cardstock will look different in your kit. So let's go ahead and open the box and take a look inside. Ta-da-da-da-da-da! Oh, pretty. Now, my tissue paper is not sealed. Yours will be sealed. Mine wasn't sealed because, well, I'm one of the instructors and I needed it to be this way. By the way, yes, I am teaching at the Weekender event. I'm teaching a card and a tutorial with one of the products from this kit, and I can tell you right away that it is fabulous. Okay, what do we have here? First of all, we have a collectible pin, the Weekender. And I just love this pin. Let's go ahead and put it on, because I love to wear these pins. I add them to my clothing or to my jacket, aprons, or purses. It's a fun little accessory. Love it. Okay, so it looks like we have a ton of product. We have some ink. So these are the Hero Hues from Hero Arts, reactive inks in Key Lime Fizz, Taffy, Lemon Drop, and Blue Hawaii. So this is the Weekender ink collection. And like I said, these are the mini cubes. I want to open this, but I don't want to rip the packaging. I like that this packaging is craft. Okay, so we have the mini little ink cubes in here. Ta-da! I have used Hero Arts inks in the past. I used to be on the Hero Arts design team for a very long time. There is a series on the Hero Arts YouTube channel called Color Layering with Yana. And I used to film color layering videos with their color layering stamps, and I would feature different kinds, different colors of ink from Hero Arts, and actually have 2 sets of inks like this with my name on it. Next, we have this. This is Tone on Tone Metallic Spray Blue Plus Shimmer. Looks like there's nothing inside. You probably need to add water. Yes, it says here, add water and shake well until powder is mixed. Start with 3/4 full and add more water for changing intensity. This is interesting. I've never used a product like this before, so this is new to me. I didn't even know Hero Arts had this, so it'll be nice to experiment with this one. Okay, next, let's flip this. So we have the dies. We have this beautiful, the Citrus Spritz die set. You have beautiful lemon leaves, flowers. This is just perfect. This does remind me of the lemon zest die set from Spellbinders from several years ago. I have a video featuring that lemon zest product. That product is discontinued, so I'm glad to see that this is sort of making a comeback in a slightly changed, in a slightly updated set. Next, we have La Dolce Vita banners. We have La Dolce Vita, Hello Sunshine, you love this, and these are fun little sentiment banners you can use for your cards. We have the Ciao Spaghetti, and the reason I'm smiling is, because this is the die set that I used for my portion of the Weekender teaching for the tutorial, and I love this set. It's brilliant. I mean, I love it. It's just, you know, the face, the chow, the spaghetti, perfect. I'm going to set this aside for now. We'll come back to that. Next, we have the coordinating dies for this sentiment stamp set. So we have a bunch of sentiments. This is Escape the Ordinary Sentiments set. We have thank you, Bella, happy birthday, hello, travel far enough to meet yourself, escape the ordinary, and so many more. And we have the coordinating dies to cut most of these out. Not all, probably none of the skinny strip sentiments, but most of these. So you have your sentiments included. Next, this looks like a fun die set. I've never seen packaging that like this. So this is the Deckside Dreams die set, and this creates a beautiful, fun little boat. Interesting. There's a score line down here, so I wonder if this boat can be made dimensional. It probably can be. I think Jennifer McGuire is teaching a class with this die set during the weekender. I could be wrong, but I think she is. Anyhow, Jennifer McGuire is one of the instructors for the class. And then we have Under the Sun die set. So this one again looks like fun. I wonder if that's, you know, dimensional or interactive. I'm not quite sure just yet. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Interesting. Next, we have, ooh, this is a powerhouse. This is Beyond the Door die set. Look how huge this die set is. So this probably makes the door perfectly sized for A2 cards. I bet it could be used for larger size cards too, but you have a ton of elements in here. You have the lemons, the oranges, you have just the flowers, you have the little containers with the flowers, you have the beautiful view, you have the shutters. Oh my gosh. So many good things. Love it. Next, we have the stencil. So this is the Villa Tiles stencil. It's a layering stencil set, and this creates this beautiful pattern, which is very true to Italy, to the Mediterranean location. So absolutely beautiful. We have 3 stencils, and these are 6 by 6. Okay, next, let's take a look at this. So this is the Weekender expansion pack, and this is the expansion pack for the, let me go grab mine. So here's the DIY color deck system from Spellbinders. This was released in, well, this month actually. I just did a video about it. And you have your beautiful color cards in here. I actually have pretty much twice the amount in here. But the idea is that you, if you've not seen my video, by the way, do check it out. But let me explain this real quick. The idea is that you have blank squares on the side here, and these are there for you to come up with your own color combination. So the squares are empty because Spellbinders didn't want to give you predefined colors. Spellbinders wanted to give you inspiration. So for example, this image is inspiration. And then you look at it and you select the colors that you like. So everybody will probably fill those cards differently because everybody will see different colors on these cards. Here's one that I did. And to me, this was very dark and bold and vibrant, but somebody else might pick some other colors. So this is just a quick explanation of the DIY color deck. So what we have in the Weekender kit, we have a little expansion pack with additional 5, it says 5 here. So we have an expansion pack with 5 additional cards that we can fill out and add to our DIY color deck. Okay, so let's look at these. Beautiful. Remember, there are facts on the back, inspiration or some color theory facts. In the Mediterranean, art is not just seen, it is felt in the warmth of the sun and the rhythm of the waves. Beautiful. This looks fabulous with the pasta and tomatoes. Beautiful beach scene. Oh, and the little fish are so fun. And then we have a little cardboard piece to hold everything together. Next, we have the Color Essential Gems, and this is again the Weekender pack designed specially for the Weekender. We have these, they're not exactly opal, they're like crystal and then navy or something like that. So yeah, love these. We also have the Weekender. I do have the cardstock in my kit. Yours will be packaged differently. Mine is in a Ziploc bag. Yours will be shrink wrapped. So let's take a look. What do we have here? We have the Weekender assortment, 30 sheets. These are half the letter size. And it includes 1 sheet of each of the following colors: poppy, blush, dahlia, chiffon, Bellini, coral, Sicily, Carrot, Cinnamon, Beeswax, Peridot, Cascade, Orchid, Mulberry, Fawn, Truffle, Fog, Anchor, Raven, Classic, White. It also includes 2 sheets of each of the following colors: Saffron, Tuscan, Rainforest, Windy, and Cosmic Sky. So while this is not an assortment, while it does not include all of the colors of cardstock from Spellbinders, it does include a nice assortment. So if you haven't yet tried the new Spellbinders color wheel cardstock, this is a nice way to give it a go. Nice way to try it. Just a reminder, the new cardstock is much smoother. It works really well for foiling, better press, die cutting, embossing, all the things. Next, we have some paper products in here. Let's take a look. Okay, what are those? These are, so we have the Raw-Bons. These are beautiful designs. I have not used Raw-Bons in ages, so this is going to be nice and fun to give them a go. Oh, by the way, there are 2 sheets on the back. So we have one sheet that we see here, and then there's another one with beautiful images. Love it. Next, we have this beautiful lemon fresco embossing folder. I have seen examples with this folder, and let me tell you guys, this is amazing. Absolutely beautiful. You got that beautiful 3D detail. Perfection. Next, and I think this is the final product in the kit, we have the Weekender Vellum Collection. So these are 8.5 by 11, and we have 3 sheets, 3 designs. So 1 design per sheet. Let's take a look. Why don't I move the box out of the way so we have a little bit more room here. My desk gets very messy and cluttered when I do things like this, when I unbox products. Okay, so this is one of the vellum sheets. Mind you, this is on a black craft mat. Let me see if I can find some white cardstock. Just some scrap paper, but see, like it instantly becomes so much brighter when you put it on a white. So the idea is you use it on a white background, but you can definitely layer this over any other color background you want, and it will look slightly different. So this is the lemons, then we have the tiles. Beautiful. Oh gosh, these are so beautiful. I love the colors. The blue and yellow always look amazing together. And then this last one, this is a beach scene with the umbrellas and the people at the beach in their swimsuits enjoying the sun. Just beautiful. So this is a look at the Weekender craft box with Spellbinders. It is now available. I have a link in my video description below. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about the Weekender and what you can expect aside from the goodies. The Weekender craft kit and virtual retreat will take place on May 30th and May 31st. And on the website, it says we're headed to the Italian coast this year for our 2-day crafty getaway. No plane ride needed. Not only will you get an amazing surprise kit packed full of incredible and exclusive products, you'll also get over 10 hours of crafting classes with some of your favorite faces from the crafting world. Enjoy 6 classes plus bonus content featuring Jennifer McGuire, JC Gaspar, Kathy Zelski, Suzanne Hugh, Shannon, I can never pronounce her last name, I'm sorry Shannon, Yana Smakula, that's me, and Kim Kesty. We have over 10 hours of tips, tricks, and make-alongs, a full weekend of creativity and fun. If you ever wanted to attend a crafting retreat but didn't have one near you, the Weekender kit and virtual retreat is the perfect opportunity to create along with thousands of new friends. The event will start on Friday, May 30th from 6 to 9 p.m. And then we will pick back up for a big day of crafting with plenty of breaks, of course, on Saturday, May 31st. So that's a look at the Weekender kit from Spellbinders, my friends. I hope you are as excited about this kit as I am. If you do decide to purchase the kit, I hope I will get to see you in class at the end of May. Thanks so much for joining me today, spending your time with me today. I hope I did not ramble for too long about this kit. But like I said, when I get excited about things, I just want to share share about them, talk about them as long as I can, and we'll spread the joy, because crafting is all about the joy. Thanks again for joining me today. Love you guys, and I will see you again next time.